Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see again into another tutorial video. So guys, to start off with video, I'll ask you the question. Have you ever watched the opening of the video or movie like this? So guys, surprisingly that effect can be created into the Capcut and only use your smartphone. And if you would like to know how to do it and how to create it, here I will show you the step by step. So the first I will do is open the Capcut here and click the new project. Then I will prepare the black blank or as the base to create the project. I will click this library and as you can see here, it is already the black picture of the black blank here and edit. And after that, I will choose or select this watermark and I will remove it and make sure that you have also choose the ratio and here I will choose the 9 and 16 and apply it. And after that, I will type the text into this clip, add text. For example, I will type let's practice. Then you can choose the font. I recommend you to choose the font that thick, such as the rubric here. Then I will also choose the effect, this one, and I will apply it. And I will also export this opening first. It will take you a while. And since it's already exported, then it has already saved into your device or memory in your device. Then I'll go to or go back to the new project here. Sorry. I will click new project and I will choose the exported file here. I will remove the watermark first. Then I will select this clip. Then I will go to the menu here or down below here to mask. Then let's say I will choose the circle. And you can adjust the size. Let's say it is like a spotlight effect. And you can also place this mask first and after that I will apply it. I will add the keyframe in the first second of this clip and apply it. Then I will move it into the second of 3. I'm sorry, 2. I think, I'm sorry, 1.5 second is enough. And add the keyframe here. And I will move this spotlight and let's see the result. You can also adjust the look of the spotlight to become more seamless or it's like a shadow by pull this 2 arrow here and let's see the result. from the start, and let's play it. And I will apply it, and let's say I will add the keyframe here again, and I will back to the mask, and I will go back to the this section, and I will move this clip to the last second and add the keyframe. Then I will move this spotlight and expand it and apply it. Let's see the result. That's it, guys. Don't forget to practice it by yourself into your device, and please let us know if this effect also worked for you. And if you have any requests or even feedback for this video, please don't be hesitant to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there and your idea for the better video in the future. And don't forget to give this like for this video if this video helpful for you, or also don't forget to subscribe this channel and watch more another tutorial videos. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.